This is monthly chart of oil. On monthly time frame, you can see more than 100 years of price action. As you see in the beginning, price were going horizontal, then started bullish trend, and this made top 2007 GFC crisis was started. When price crashed from this all-time high, before it reached bottom, new poor people were invented during this crash, and this bullish trend was made to save those people. During this 2007 market crash, billionaires like Vijay Mallya lost their wealth. Since 2007, oil was in downtrend. It was making series of lower low, lower high, and it made bottom during coronavirus. This is the price action. You cannot know when to buy or sell, and buy is making support and resistance. When we change chart from line chart to candlestick and we draw support resistance trend line, everything become clear. Why price is making support and resistance at 40, 100 or $70. 10 and $40 were major support and resistance of oil. During coronavirus, it tested both support. A ultimate support for this bear market was $10, where this bear market was ended and new bullish trend was started. On TradingView, you can watch from 1862 to 2021. If we watch this time frame more closely, then $10 horizontal support was tested only two times in 1986 and 1998, and $41 high was made in 1990. This new bullish trend is started from this support zone between 10 and $40, and it has break out this trend line. It has break 75 horizontal resistance. After 75, our next resistance is $100 psychological resistance. As you can see on monthly time frame, the $10 price was lifetime opportunity. When price was testing $10 and trading below $40, this was the support zone where you should buy, because from $10 there was only one direction for gold up. During that time, other traders were explaining oil based on price action, but you can trade without SL on big lot size from 10 to $40, because oil price cannot stay at $10. Then after some time, Trump crystal clear said oil cannot go below $40. Below $40, hedge fund and big investor were building their position. And since breakout of $40 price tag, it is going up like it came down after 2007. All of these investors are waiting for $100 price. Now price have only two options: either it test $100 or trace back and make correction above $75. If $10 was ultimate support technically, and then 41 support was made clear by President Trump when Biden became president. During first day of his office, he made crystal clear that he want price of oil to go up. If it retraces before $100, then it can retest 75 horizontal resistance, or it retraces more. Then we have only two support, 41 and this trend line. As you can see, price of oil on monthly time frame can go up or down in vertical line. On monthly time frame, 75 is our support and $100 is our resistance. Oil price in all over the world can change the politics. $50 price movement in any of direction up or down can change politics. If all of these investor and politician want $100 oil price, then it could make sideways correction above 75 before it can make new higher high at $100 or above 100. This is weekly time frame. When price tested $10 horizontal support, Bitcoin was trading below $5,000. You can trade Bitcoin without SL on big lot size, and you can also trade oil. But no politician, no government wanted Bitcoin price to go up. But behind oil, there was entire world. The closing of these two weekly candle near $17. The closing of market confirm bottom. On weekly time frame, you can see it is making higher high, higher low. It has not made any lower low. All of these investors have their stop below this higher low. You can see last wave of this trend. All of the weekly candle are making bullish move. It is like somebody is buying oil every week. You can see no red candle on weekly time frame. It has break 75 horizontal resistance, and this yellow trend line, which are our monthly resistance. After second attempt, it has breakout and ready to test $100. This is daily time frame. First price made sideways correction near $40, then made bullish trend up to 75. On daily time frame, you cannot know why price is making support or resistance at 75 or 41. To know technical reason behind this support and resistance, you have to check 100-year price action on monthly time frame. Any investor who take entry at $40 have their target at 75. There was no resistance before 75. This price action on daily time frame has made parallel channel. Upper and lower trend line both had been tested at least 2 times. If $100 is our horizontal resistance, then upper trend line of this channel is our dynamic resistance, and 75 our horizontal support. White trend line is our dynamic support. This is H4 time frame. After breakout of 75, it is making higher high, higher low on H4 time frame. You cannot see any lower low. If this H4 yellow channel breaks, then our support is 75. If price keep making higher high, higher low in this yellow channel, then all of these bulls have target $100. Now back again on monthly time frame. This is the complete price action from 1862 to 21, which you can see free in TradingView. In 1986, 1998, this was impossible. No ordinary person can see this price action. Until you read history of oil from 1862 to 2021, you will never know why somebody buy oil at $10 or $41, or why somebody buy again at 75 and target for $100. Technically, you can get support and resistance and take your buy or sell entry. But to get confidence, you have to understand fundamental reason. To understand fundamental of oil, you can read this book, The Price. This is Pulitzer Prize winner book, and this book has complete history of oil. When oil was treated like toilet, and today when oil is treated like a currency. That is why oil is called black gold. But this book have one problem. This book have history from very beginning of oil to 90s when this book was published. And next book, The Word for Sale. This book is published this year, and this book have oil history from 90s to today. The third one is What Economy Needs Now. We shared this book in our Telegram channel in January 2021. This book was published in 2019 before coronavirus. If we talk about writer of this book, Geeta Gopinath, she is current chief economist of IMF. Raghuram Rajan, the ex-IMF chief. This book is written by insider of this market. If we compare these three books, then White Book has biggest size because it is Pulitzer Prize winner. Until you read this book, you will never get confidence that why you should buy oil at $10 and wait until it reaches $100 or 75. Because this book will teach you the fundamental reason behind World War II was oil, and they did not stop until they see atom bomb. During World War II, there was race for oil. After World War II, there was race for atom bomb. The blue book start history where this white book ends. If you could not read this white book, because it will take almost a year to finish entire book, but you can read this blue one which is published this year. When you will read this book, you will understand. If you have socialist education, you can never understand oil. With socialist education, you can never understand forex. You will never understand financial market because socialist education has a limit. You can never go beyond your politician. This book has biography of biggest oil trader in the world, and all of these traders who have their positions since $10 and $40. You can know their experience, why they buying oil and why they will wait until $100. And next one, the red book which was published in 2019. This is small size book you can read in one day. If you do not read every writer, only read Raghuram Rajan. Then in 2019 in this book he had says crystal clear, if your government do nothing for oil price, then you have to trade yourself. If you don't trade oil, then you will have to pay price as a inflation. To understand oil or forex or gold, you will have to learn capitalist education. In school you got socialist education. Any socialist country will never teach you capitalism. You have to learn yourself. Because when price of gold went $10, it is impossible that oil price stay at $10 price for at least 1 year. There is thousands of people in this world who got $1 million at least every month. To get their $1 million monthly paycheck, they need oil price above $40 or $75. Oil price are one of the biggest reason of inflation. If oil price goes up, inflation goes up, then you can expect gold price going up. If price of oil made a correction between $100 and $75 for next 1 year, you can see hyperinflation in many countries, especially in emerging market. If oil prices are going up from $10 to 75 in vertical line, because thousands of people want this price to go up. Nobody's care you are poor or you go bankrupt, or you cannot afford oil price for your bike or car. Because every country in this world have different reason for World War II. But this book tell you exact reason. The real reason was oil. When you read the word for sale, you will understand. With socialist education, you can never understand forex trading. The third book, What's Economy Needs Now, teach you have to learn yourself how to trade oil, when to trade oil. The only way for a retail trader to trade oil is price action. If you try to trade based on news, you will never understand what is happening in the news. When you read these three books, you will understand politicians never tell truth about oil price. Either trade based on price action, or you will have to learn by yourself the fundamental of oil price. There is more book for oil, but these three books are enough. If you have sale entry near 41 or below 75, then you do not know why oil price are going up and what is the next target. If oil price did not stop before $100, then those sale entry will crash your account. Even if you saved your account, you will pay your loss in term of inflation. Because of these two reasons, oil price and supply chain disruption, which was created during trade war because of Trump. Because of these two reasons, price of goods and services are going up every month. This was the first video on oil because some of you asked for oil video. We have explained you everything technical and fundamental. Every news you will ever read in news site about oil, they all just lie. They will never tell you truth. To understand those news, you will have to read history and trade based on technical.